What is regulatory information management? To understand what RIM systems do, we first have to look at the role of regulatory affairs. In the medical technology industry, which includes medical devices, in vitro diagnostics, and medical software, regulatory affairs play an important role throughout a product's lifecycle. Before products are released for sale, regulatory affairs work with product teams to ensure that new products can be legally marketed. They assemble the required regulatory submissions for market clearance. For products on the market, regulatory affairs track registration expirations, government regulations, and international standards to keep on top of changes that might impact the product's selling status. Regulatory affairs teams also take the lead on post-market surveillance, tracking adverse events and complaints, and ensuring the data is reported appropriately to health authorities. These activities are repeated for every product the company sells in every regulated country or region, and they're all heavily dependent on specific information. To do their jobs effectively, medtech regulatory affairs professionals need insight into global regulations and standards, detailed product specifications, testing, performance and safety data, and a full record of all regulatory registrations and processes. In many organizations, this information is scattered all over the place in documents, software systems, and individual employees' heads. It's no wonder, then, that regulatory affairs professionals spend half their time simply looking for information. RIM systems help to corral and manage all of this information. They serve as a single source of truth for regulatory affairs teams, storing documents, integrating information from other software systems, and creating a traceable record of regulatory activities. All of this information is intuitively linked to individual products and market regions, making it much faster and easier to find. RIM systems use all of their collected information to automate and streamline regulatory activities across the product lifecycle. They provide a collaborative digital hub where teams can research, author, and assemble supporting documentation for new regulatory submissions. They track changes in relevant standards and regulations and identify potential product impacts. And they help to collect and analyze post-market data for internal and health authority reporting. Underpinning all of these capabilities is a full set of compliant project planning, workflow management, approval, and reporting features. RIM systems improve the efficiency and accuracy of regulatory affairs, which in turn means that medtech companies can reduce revenue risk, strengthen global compliance, and get products to market more quickly. To learn more about RIM systems for medtech regulatory affairs, visit www.rimsys.io/RIM101.